Okay, Randy Walker here. I'm at the beach, about to enter the beach at the Moorings community here, the morning after Hurricane Nicole just blew through. So let's have a look at what kind of damage, what kind of erosion there is on the beach. So just been walking through the neighborhood here, and God, there's just barely a few twigs down. You know, not really too much else. Morning.
Hi.
And not really any structural damage, not a lot of flooding. And there's some flooding in the path there, but that's pretty much par for the course of on any rainstorm. So here we go at the entrance to the beach. You can hear the thunderous waves. And swim at your own risk, not today. And whoa, look at that. That is high, wow. So that's north. So Mike Slidell from the Weather Channel, he's about 4 miles north there up by Sexton Plaza and the Ocean Grill. So let's go a little closer here. Looks like the sand and the water came up a high tide to the end there. Ooh, look at that, yeah, see? Yeah, there's some erosion there, holy moly. Looks like we lost some wood there. I'm not even sure if that's here. Oh boy. Yeah, so we had some erosion here for sure. Used to be steps here. Morning.
Morning.
Wow, look at this. So this was all bush there. There's the not terrible. Definitely look at the bottom. You can see the way in the background, the stairs going to the beach. Looks like the bottom. I get my shoes wet. And this is looking south. That's the report here from the Moorings Beach in South Vero Beach. Very windy right now. Gonna head back for some shelter, but that gives you a view of what it's like the morning after Hurricane